is no pollution. You with no words to hold, hopes, questions or solutions. Bedrock of a river that flowed, no past, present or future. We are men of nature, we are made from the earth. At the end of my 80, I'll return to the dirt. Just sand, just rock, dry land, vast and silent, only breathing. We just children of believers. Like fire and water, mist on me, compassion. In the morning we're born everlasting. Like the grass by the sea, blending with the wind which knocks it down time and again. We remain and sing, standing till the dawn of day carries us away. As we sway through the phases of each generation, we leave our trace, then leave the station. Fear from fantasy fade, no blame, untamed or spoken. Sea march through the space, on dry land that's cracked and broken. We came to taste the rain, we're just widows and orphans, not afraid of feel the pain. Orderly behind our notions, bathe the showers, taste the tension, hear the howl, climb the mountain, kiss the cold and heal the frozen. Read the dreams in your sleep dungeon. We are men of nature, we are made from the earth. At the end of my 80, I'll return to the dirt. Just sand, just rock, dry land, vast and silent, only breathing. We just children of believers. That's how I get these feelings on that journey. I like the way they face these seasons. Sometimes change and no one to blame, even when the day is leaving. Will you rise like a lion in the morning sun, or will you just lay there bleeding? When the time has come, I turn to the kingdom, close my eyes and be screaming freedom. We are made from the earth. At the end of my 80, I'll return to the dirt. Just stand.